Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about quality control in the world of 3D printing. As anyone who prints knows, consistency and precision are key, but tiny defects can be hard to spot. That's where specialized vision comes in, and we're showcasing a powerful pairing today. The IDS U-31R0CP Rev 2.2 camera with the Computar V7531-MPZ lens, specifically for inspecting your 3D prints. First, let's look at the heart of this system, the IDS U-31R0CP Rev 2.2. This is an industrial-grade USB 3 camera known for its robust performance and excellent image quality. It features a 1.3 megapixel global shutter sensor. And you may ask, why is global shutter important for 3D printing? Because it captures the entire image at once, eliminating distortion or blur that can occur when monitoring moving parts, like a print head in motion. Plus, it delivers up to 60 frames per second at full resolution, giving you smooth, real-time video of your printing process. Complementing the camera is the Computar V7531-MPZ lens. This is a high-quality megapixel varifocal lens, meaning it has an adjustable zoom from 7.5 to 50 millimeters. This flexibility is crucial for QC. You can zoom out for a wider view of the print bed or zoom right into microscopic levels to inspect individual layers. Its fast f1.3 aperture ensures bright, clear images even with challenging lighting conditions often found inside 3D printer enclosures. So how does this duo elevate your 3D printing QC? Imagine being able to mount this system focused directly on your print bed or nozzle. With its precise optics and high-speed global shutter, you can spot layer inconsistencies like delamination or warping as they happen, monitor surface finish in incredible detail, identifying stringing or blobs, verify first layer adhesions with pinpoint accuracy. This combination of the IDS UI camera and Computar lens provides the visual confidence and control you need to achieve truly reliable and high quality 3D prints. It's about bringing industrial grade inspection capabilities right into your workshop. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more insight into precision tech, and let us know in the comments how you tackle QC for your 3D prints. We'll see you next time.